Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. If you'll watch this stock Bank Nifty, you will clearly find out that this was swing high and this was swing low for this stock. Okay, what can happen further? Okay, let's analyze what happened yesterday. The stock went up till this level of 33,192. This was 0.38 level of Fibonacci. Okay, and what happened after that? The stock started to fall, taking resistance of this trend line and immediately formed a low around 32,800 rupees. Almost 500 rupee fall in intraday from day high, right? What can happen next? See, if you analyze this stock in 5 minutes, you will find out that Nifty bank has currently been trading in this resistance line. Okay, and it has a support of this trend line. Okay, it has a support of this trend line, right? Which will be around 32,430 level, or okay, or you can say 32,500 level, which is actually a psychological level. So support lies around 32,500 level, right? And the stock is currently trading around 32,800 level, still in a bearish form. But SGX Nifty today is actually trading above 100-200 points, right? Which means market tomorrow may open gap up, okay, around this level of 33,200. Okay, and if the market tomorrow, or you can say Monday, opens around this level, okay, takes resistance, okay, takes resistance, but doesn't go below 33,180, and then starts to go towards the upside, then only we will consider buying Bank Nifty. Okay, and if the market opens around this region, okay, and then it starts to fall and go below 33,150, 60, then only we will consider shorting Bank Nifty for further targets of, you can say, 33,000. Okay, so it will be a 200 point instant gain for you if market starts to fall below this Fibonacci level of 33,180, 70. Okay, so this is one view. What will be our next view? See, if you remove all of this drawing, okay, if you will remove all of this drawing and draw horizontal lines, okay, you will find out that 33,175 level. See this level, okay, this level, or you can say this level, which acted as a resistance yesterday, is actually a resistance. And in 15-minute time frame, you will find out that the market opened here, closed at this place on this day, and after that it made a huge gap of you can say around 300 points. Okay, around 300 points gap was created, and this gap has been filled. Okay, and what has happened now? The stock is actually taking resistance of this trend line. Okay, the resistance of this trend line. Okay, this two trend line are acting as a resistance for this stock, right? These two trend lines, the market is unable to pass these trend lines, and as soon as a breakout happens, the breakout fails and the market starts to come down. This level is acting as a support. So what does this mean? This means that the market is actually stuck in a pattern which it is unable to give a breakout, on which the stock is unable to give a breakdown, right? So as the market is stuck in this range, okay, you should actually wait for any horizontal level breakout, or you should wait for any dynamic resistance line breakout. Okay, so if breakout of this horizontal line happens, you can buy above 33,300. Okay, and if any sort of a breakout happens above 33,700 or 800, then also you can consider buying this stock for 34,000 target. Okay, and see, this also will act as a resistance, psychological resistance, 33,960, 70. Okay, this will act as a support now, 32,000 380. And what about call sellers? How should a call seller or a put seller should trade in this market? See, if market opens in this region only, then you can do one thing. Okay, first of all, you can sell this call of 34,258 along with the put of 34,300, or you can say 34,200. Okay, you can sell call and put of this level. First of all, 34,300 call put, and you can sell this call put also, 30,500 call put, and wait for the market to stay in this range only. If the market will stay in this range, you will earn huge sort of a profit. Okay, if the market will stay in this range, you will earn hell lot of a profit tomorrow by selling this call put and by selling this call put, 30,500 and 34,400 call put. Okay, so this is my analysis for Bank Nifty, and if you like my analysis, you can actually hit a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.